Alright, boys. We're gonna
Bro,
win.
what? I can't tell my screen right.
Guys, was my singing phenomenal?
I'm gonna have to use the iPad. Okay, I'll use the
Was my
hand.
singing? Guys, was my singing good? You guys hear my epic singing?
Let me look up. All this is just let me look up. Guys, can we play like the mind chase? Prior to?
You have to actually get. Alright, boys, let's do it.
I'll pay for a private server
Wait.
Robux.
Yo, dude, Nutella, did you hear my singing? You didn't hear my singing?
The screen is moving bad.
Alright, I'll sing during the sea chase.
Even if I don't use my Joy-Con.
Hold up. While he's doing that, I'm gonna change my phone.
Yo, this is Nintendo Joy. Are you kidding?
I tried that before. They're not really the great thing, the best when it comes to
This is a new iPad.
I play on MacBooks.
I don't eat Cheetos.
I'm on. Ready for that heavenly music?
Wait. What admin? I'm ready for that sea chase.
Okay. Alright, who wants to open the heavenly sound? Who wants to start the heavenly music?
Who opened the door? I am new to the game, but I let this guy get coins.
Wait, somebody's recording?
This is freaking high graphics. Let this guy get coins, bro. Let this
Are my
guy get
graphics
coins.
not actually?
He looks sick. He is.
Yo, you guys playing in 60 FPS right now?
I'm gonna follow you back.
Does it look smooth?
I found the light.
If it looks smooth, then it's probably like 60.
Yes. Because it's dark. Okay, now I see better. I turned on like light. So I see. I'll hide in here. Guys, oh, I see your bush bubble. Guys, it's freaking dark. It's just really shiny. I don't see
Guys,
you.
when we get to the power outage, stay near the lanterns on the ground.
Ooh, the
No! No, I hate this one.
Yeah, I know it too.
Bro, I
on crouch.
Are you hacking? Maybe it can save him from Rush. Who knows?
Bro, I know how to get admin, but I don't have
I watched a hacker video where he was crouching in the ground and then I can save them from Rush. So there's no hiding spots right now. Wait, how do I?
1 out of 3. Ready.
No.
Nope.
Alright, guys.
3
Never back down, never what?
3. Ready. Sterilize.
Alright, look for oxygen tanks on the ground.
Complete.
you! That was so close!
I'm not that good at this game.
I found us a light while I was... Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Oh, I thought he was... I need food. I need food, bro. I'm about to die.
I'm at 5% health.
I'm at 40.
Oh, I got diamonds. Well, I never told you I'm blind. But I never told you I'm blind, but I see blurry. So I'm actually blind.
Bro, I was losing oxygen. I was about to die, and then you finally entered the room.
Me too. I was about to die. It's like when I was drowning underwater. And I got into water. Bro, that was because Joseph, he went too deep. I tell him, don't. Because, now,
Look right in front. This is mine. I literally have my light out, bro.
Where is the door? Oh. Are we doing a CK with 5% health?
Okay, he better not. Does he have
I'm
Robux
getting
to
the
revive?
minecart. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm saving my money.
It's 30 Robux. Is he just gonna watch us? Is it just gonna be us two? Alright, let's do this. Just us two, I guess. What's that big red door? He's probably just joking. Why is he asking about the mushroom? That game is so overrated. Notice how the music is slowly getting intense. We're almost there. Just do it. I die or do you want me to keep going?